Okay, so these are setting, they've set up quite a bit. So what I want to do is put some skewers on the back so that we can stand them up in the cake. Now the cake is only about, what, 2.5 inches deep, so I'm going to have to cut some of this off. And then I want 2 smaller ones over here. Okay, so they're all about the same. So they'll take this, take it in the same red chocolate, and just kind of dip it in the chocolate like this. Take it up here and pop that down. Okay, and we'll just let that set up, and then we can stand that up in the, like I said, in the cake. I've already done the school bus the same way here, only use the yellow chocolate. Okay, so that's sitting aside, then we have our other chocolate pieces sitting aside there. Now I want to go ahead and get my cake out of the refrigerator. I'm going to place it on this foil covered, black foil, it's florist foil covered quarter sheet. I'm using my double-sided tape that I always use. Okay, so this was iced on the quarter sheet board, so I need to cut this off. Okay, so I'll just take my serrated knife. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Now what I want to do is take some white buttercream and just fill this in a little bit right around the edge here. We're actually going to put some fondant down here. It's going to look like a ruler, but we need to just kind of even out where that cardboard is. Okay, we can just take a spatula. Okay, let me set that up here. Then I've got some yellow fondant. Try to get it as close to this yellow as the chocolate was. And I'll end up doing this in more than one strip, so I won't be able to go all the way around the cake. Okay, then you take a ruler, pop it right on here, and grab a pizza cutter. And we are going to do ruler width, imagine that. And we may as well just move the ruler over and cut another one, because we're going to need more than one. Okay, when you pick this up, try not to stretch it too much. Bring the cake over. And we'll start right about on this corner here. Oops. It's turning on me. Okay, so I just kind of butt those together, and then okay, and what you can do is just take the ruler to even it out and kind of just push it in like this. Straighten it out a little. There we go. Okay, so let me get some black buttercream and we'll go ahead and do the little marks on the ruler. Okay, we're just going to make some markings for the ruler. We're not going to do the numbers and everything. We're just going to do one longer line. And it's good to have this at, notice I lifted the cake up at eye level. And then I'll do 2 short ones, one a little longer, 2 shorter ones again, and then the one same height as that. And I'll just continue that all the way around.